So, you wish there was an easy way to copy and paste the exact position and rotation of a hand in relation to the other. Not a problem. This kind of thing is most common when you have a two-handed weapon like a rifle or a sword, and you need the left hand to stay consistent, but for whatever reason, it's not. This could happen for multitudes of reasons. Maybe the motion capture data you have just wasn't very clean and you want to fix this manually. Regardless of how you got here, the fix is pretty simple. Here you can see we have a frame where the hand positions are correct, and we have another frame where the hand positions are wrong. To fix that, you go to the good frame, double-click the hand, then hold Alt and right-click the other hand, set it to local, and then hit the relative button up here. Then Control-C to copy, and now you go to the broken frame, Control-V to paste, you're done. Now you can see the left hand is in the exact same position relative to the other hand, the same way it was in the previous frame. Hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.